Hello children. Today we will read and learn how to make simple sentences using the word on, on. Now let's look into the pictures and let's try to frame sentences. Now can you see a cat here? A fat cat. Where is the cat sitting? A fat cat sat on a mat. A fat cat sat on a mat. Now let's go to the next one. Where is the hat? A hat is on a peg. A hat is on a peg. Where is the hen? A hen is on a hut. A hen is on a hut. Oh, there is a big dog. Where is the big dog sitting? A big dog is on a bed. A big dog is on a bed. Can you see the fox? Where is the fox? A fox is on a log. A fox is on a log. Oh, a rat. Where is the rat? A rat is on a box. A rat is on a box. Wow, can you see the frog? A big green frog. A frog sat on a log. A frog sat on a log. Where is the jug? A jug is on a red rug. Can you see the jug on the red rug? So the sentence will be, a jug is on a red rug. Oh, there is a bug. A bug is on a rag. Where is the bug? A bug is on a rag. A pen is on a pad. Can you see the pen on the pad? A pen is on a pad. Where is the boy sitting? A boy sat on a box. Can you see the boy sitting on a box? A boy sat on a box. So children, this is how we have learned how to frame small sentences seeing the pictures. So keep practicing and keep reading sentences. So bye for now.